In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to connect Supabase to Replit AI. We'll walk through connecting your Supabase project to a Replit workspace using the built-in AI agent, so your app can securely talk to your database. Start by opening Replit in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, head to the specific project you want to connect. Make sure the project is open in the editor so you can interact with the AI panel and manage your environment settings. Next, open the Replit AI assistant. In the chat, simply tell the agent that you want to connect to Supabase. The assistant will recognize the request and begin a guided setup. It will then prompt you to provide your Supabase secret key and store it in your project's secrets. This is important because secrets keep credentials out of your code and out of version control. To grab that key, switch over to your Supabase dashboard and open the project you want to use. In the project list, open the menu for your project, then go to Settings. Inside Settings, find the section labeled API Keys. You'll see multiple keys here. In the secret key area, copy the secret key shown. Treat this like a password. Never share it publicly, and do not use it in any client-side code. Now jump back to your Replit project. Paste the secret key into the field the AI agent requested, or directly into the secrets manager if the prompt opens it for you. Double check that you pasted the full key with no extra spaces. When you're ready, confirm the entry and click Continue in the AI assistant. The agent will apply the configuration and link your project to your Supabase backend. From here, your Replit environment can authenticate with Supabase securely through that stored secret. If your project uses database queries, policies, or storage, the agent's connection enables those features to work without exposing sensitive credentials. If you ever suspect the key is compromised, rotate it in the Supabase dashboard and update the value in Replit secrets right away. And that's the entire flow. Open Replit, open your project, ask the agent to connect, fetch the secret key from Supabase settings, paste it back into Replit, and continue to finish the setup. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the